Hello students, welcome back to my channel Botany for NEET. Let us solve a question asked in the recent NEET 2024. Before solving the question, let's read it first. As per ABO blood grouping system, the blood group of father is B positive, mother is A positive, and child is O positive. Their respective genotype can be. So here in the question, they have given that father is B positive, mother is A positive, and child is O positive. We need to find the genotype of the father, mother, as well as the child. We know that ABO blood grouping, in ABO blood grouping system, there are basically four blood groups. A person can be of A blood group type, or B blood group, AB blood group, or O blood group. A person with A blood group has A antigen on the surface of RBC. So basically on the plasma membrane of the RBC, a person having A blood group has A antigen. B blood group type has B antigen on the plasma membrane of the RBC. AB blood group has both A antigen as well as B antigen, while O blood group do not have any antigens present. Whereas in the plasma, in the blood plasma, that is fluid part of the blood, A blood group, a person with A blood group type has B antibodies. Person with B blood group has A antibodies. AB blood group do not have any antibodies. O blood group has both A antibody as well as B antibodies present in the plasma, that is the liquid part of the blood. Okay. Now, in an organism, any character is encoded by gene. So now the alternative forms of a gene are only known as alleles. A person with A blood group type, when a person is of A blood group, he or she can have a genotype as IAIA or IAIO. B blood group type, a person can be IBIB or IBIO. A person with AB blood group has only one genotype, that is IAIB. Person with O blood group also has only one genotype, IOIO. Now here they said that the child is O positive. Now whether a person is positive or negative, now we know that some of your friends might be A positive, AB positive, AB negative. So positive and negative depends on presence of rhesus factor. Okay, a person, if they have rhesus factor, then that's said to be positive. If they do not have this rhesus factor, then that's said to be negative. Now here the child is O positive. That means what's the genotype of the child? IOIO, or it can also be represented as small I. Okay, that's the genotype of the child. Now father is B positive. So father can be IBIB or IBIO. Now let us consider a case. If for example father is IBIB and mother is IAIA. Okay. Now let us cross them. Okay. Then what happens? We can see that children will be of AB blood group. There is no chance that the child will be O blood group type. So these genotypes that we have interpreted are wrong. Okay. Now let us consider if the father is IBIO and mother is IAIA. Then what are the possibilities of the progeny? The progeny can be IAIB, IAIB, IAIO, IAIO. So basically what are we doing? I'm doing like this. Okay. This is how it's being done. Is it clear? Now, so what are the children obtained from this cross? Have AB blood group or A blood group? But that's not the case. We have seen that in the question, the child is having O blood group type. So here, this interpretation is also wrong. Now, let us consider another case where father blood group is B blood group, mother is A blood group type. So let us consider father genotype B IBIO, mother's genotype B IAIO. Now, let us do a cross. When you observe here, let us do again the same way. It will be IAIB, IBIO, IAIO, IOIO. So here the child will have AB blood group because he carries both A antigen and B antigen. Here the child is B blood group, here it's A. And finally here the child is O blood group with no antigens present on the surface of the RBC. So that's what is asked in the question. What is the question? Father is B positive. Yeah, he's blood group B. Mother is A positive. Mother is A positive and child is O. So when can we get this? Only if the father, who is B positive, has a genotype IBIO, and mother, who is A positive, having a genotype of IAIO, can result in a child who is O positive having the genotype IOIO, or it can be written as small I. Is it clear? So these are the genotypes of the father, mother, as well as the child. I hope you got a clear understanding of the solution for this question. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment it down below and share this content with your friends. Happy learning.